Do you want to use Instagram marketing for your business and get your first 1,000 followers organically? I will share how in this video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing and making more money online. If you're interested in those topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So the first thing you want to do if you want to get your first 1,000 organic Instagram followers is to choose a username for your account that fits your brand. Your username will be the simple text that people will write in the search bar to find your account. So make it simple and easy to understand. Preferably make it the name of your brand without too many dots or underscores. The next thing you want to do is to optimize your Instagram account for business. In this video right here, I talk all about what you need to do to optimize your Instagram account for SEO, how to optimize it for business, get an optimized name for your entire account, how to create and post a detailed Instagram description. I talk about the content you need to post and much more. So be sure to watch it after this video to gather more information about Instagram marketing for your business. Now, the next thing you want to do if you want to grow on Instagram organically and especially get that first 1,000 followers is to focus on creating high quality content. Content is the most important thing on Instagram to represent your brand. And another thing you might want to do is to create a cohesive, aesthetically pleasing Instagram feed for your business. To attract the eyes of new viewers and of your target audience to your account, the look of your account really matters. It is not the most important thing, but it is one of the things that will convince people whether to become followers or not. If you want to learn exactly how to build a cohesive feed for your Instagram account, I share how in this video right here, and you can see how I do that for my clients' accounts or for my own one. Another really important tip if you want to grow your followers organically on Instagram is to stay active for a longer period of time rather than be active a lot in a period of time and then don't post at all. If you have some content gathered and you want to post it on Instagram but you don't know when you will have the time to create new content, I would rather spread it out and be active for a longer period of time than post every single day and then have no content for months. So you can post 1 to 3 feed posts per week instead of posting one per day and then run out of content. Because activity on Instagram, it is very important if you want to grow. The next reason why people will follow you on Instagram, no matter if you have 0 followers now or no matter if you have 100, is to have an established brand or business. People will not follow your Instagram account if you don't offer value, but most importantly, they will not follow it if it doesn't represent your brand as a whole or if they're not interested in your business as a whole in general. That is why it is very important to also add your website link, design a very well professional website, and ensure that your content is high quality and that you take good product photographs and videos. And most importantly, let people know what your brand is about, what you do, who you're doing it for, who your products appeal to, and much more. You want to give them as much information about your brand as possible, and if they will enjoy your brand, they will also enjoy your Instagram account and follow it. Use all types of content, especially video marketing nowadays. If you want to bring a new audience to your content, to your Instagram account, Reels are a great idea. It is important if you want to grow a bit faster to post them daily, but you can also spread them out if you don't have the time to create them. What is very important is that you do use them for your account. This way, a bunch of new people can find your account and follow it, because ultimately that's what you're trying to do. Get new people to your account and then convince them to follow it with your account look and because it represents your brand. If you want to learn more tips on Instagram marketing for beginners, such as how to find the right hashtags for your posts, how to write an Instagram bio, and everything else, you have all those videos in the playlist below. So this is what you need to do to start and grow an Instagram account organically to 1,000 followers. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at lydia.incomingsuccess, where I post a lot more content on growing online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.